Hi, John from Ideal Homes Portugal, property consultant, and I'm here today to show you something a little bit special. Behind these gates we have got something quite nice. It's an old Quinta, 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, completely remodernised. So without further ado, let's go in and see what's happening. After that pleasant walk up the driveway, we are at the house. Well, I should say Quinta. Beautiful house, 2-car garage, carport there for you. It's on the market by Ideal Homes Portugal at €850,000. That fits in perfectly for a golden visa. Let's go in and have a look. Here we are upstairs. It looks down onto the lounge and the dining room, open plan. It's got some great features. Up here, you've got a double bedroom, a lounge sitting area, and also another bedroom. The building actually had a new roof fitted, and it's an isothermic roof, and it gives it insulation. So in the cold winter months we get occasionally in the Algarve, this will hold the heat in. The advantage of a roof like this, when it's hot on the outside, it doesn't get hot in the inside. That's the upstairs done. Let's try and look round downstairs. Kitchen over that side, downstairs bathroom this side, and then we come into the lounge area. Now, the lounge dining room, nice size, pretty size, really high ceilings, and what a beautiful wood burner. I mean, the size of that is stunning. It's kept all the features of the stonework on the walls, and it's all air conditioned all through. It's also got, for the chilly winter months we get here, not many, but you've got full gas central heating. One master bedroom off to this side, another large bedroom that side. When you go into this master bedroom, great thing about it is fitted wardrobes everywhere. You go straight into the ensuite. But because the developer wanted to keep the character, what he's done is made the switches. So, they're old-fashioned switches. How good is that? Look at that. I love it. I love it. Now, bathroom. Again, decent sized bathroom, double sinks, shower, jacuzzi bath, hot towel rails, toilet, everything you want. Everything. Okay, seen the master bedroom downstairs. Let's go to the next bedroom. Through the lovely lounge. Again, high featured ceilings. A lovely large bedroom. Again, fitted wardrobes. Beautiful views out over the pool, which we'll be seeing very shortly. And then into, I love these doors. Look at these doors. Bathroom. Again, open plan shower. Tile, keeping its rustic look. Very nice. Very, very nice. So, bedroom 1 downstairs, bedroom 2 downstairs, bedroom 3 upstairs. And then we go back into the lounge area. And again, can you imagine that working? Roaring fire in the evening, that glass of wine. Where I am standing now, I'm looking out of the window and I see an orange tree full of oranges, fresh orange juice. Anyway, let's go and see the kitchen. Okay, dining room, hallway, bathroom, a big large pantry room in there, and this way to the kitchen. And what's great is the dining room is next to the kitchen. So many times properties don't do this. Now, in the kitchen, you've got a decent sized table, 6 chairs, so you can dine in here if you want to. The kitchen is fully functional, fridge, freezer, microwave, oven, hob, cupboards, sink, dishwasher, everything you want. Out here, we then go to the courtyard. Then the other side of the courtyard is that annex, which is well worth seeing. Let's go and take a look at that. So, from the main house into the courtyard and into the annex. Now the annex is actually very large. Fully, I mean, look at the size of the lounge again. This is the lounge, dining table, log burning fire. There is a downstairs toilet there. Fully air conditioned. Into the kitchen, oven, microwave, dishwasher, fridge, freezer. Off the kitchen, another downstairs toilet, bathroom, and then through into the master bedroom here, and again a decent size. And it's even got what every lady wants: its own dressing area and cupboards. But this is beautiful. This is an independent property away from the main Quinta. You've got its separate annex, has its own driveway, and all of this. And then one special thing, when you come down here, we've got so many places for outdoor entertaining and eating, which we do in the Algarve. 80% of the time is eating outside. We have an undercover bread oven and barbecue. Now, this is your traditional bread oven, pizza oven. Just get the coals in there. Bob's your uncle. Okay, pizza's cooking, fish is on. Let's go down to the pool area. And it's got a very, very low maintenance garden this end, because this may look like grass, but it's astroturf. And I'd challenge anybody to not notice this wasn't real. Pool area, lovely distance views over the countryside. And then, I'll just say, there is another kitchen outside. And look at this for a barbecue. Beautiful. Okay. We started coming up the lovely driveway. We finished by the pool area. Outside kitchen area, barbecue. Everything, if you dreamt of buying a property, having a home in southern Portugal, this one will take some beating. Why don't talk to Ideal Homes Portugal? Whether it's the golden visa, whether it's just to buy it for yourself, whether it's a holiday home, whether you want to relocate, Ideal Homes, we're here to help you. We'll guide you through the process. We'll do everything. We've got lawyers, we've got furniture companies, everything after sales, rentals, whatever. Take a look at this property. Anything else you want to come and have a look. We're here to help you. I'm John. I hope I've helped you today. I'm so impressed with this property. I hope you will as well. Hopefully see you soon. Bye for now.